You can't pour from an empty cup, and before you give love to anybody else, you have to truly love yourself. And I think the easiest way to love yourself as a man is to be proud of yourself. And to be proud of yourself, you have to decide who you want to be inside of the metaverse, inside of the matrix. You have to decide the character you want to be and try your best to achieve it.
Why do you think people struggle with being proud of themselves?
I think because they know they're failing. I think that most people failing in life know very well they're failing. And it doesn't matter what avatar you decide to absorb or who you decide to be. You can decide to be it, and you know true in your heart if you're giving 100% of your energy towards becoming it or not. Doesn't matter if you want to become a famous musician, doesn't matter if you want to become a bodybuilder, doesn't matter if you want to become a pro fighter, doesn't matter what you want to be, you know in your heart if you're actually trying or not. You have to decide what you want to be and try and become it. And a lot of the people who are genuinely unhappy or miserable in their hearts know they're not trying that hard.
Well, and I think they also focus on what everyone else is doing right or wrong, and then judging outward, and everyone's like focused on this outward reflection of like what that person has and versus what they don't have, and it's all just like this just cycle of negativity.
Completely.
And it's just, we found ourselves, especially with social media nowadays, we found ourselves like most people, because maybe they're not mentally strong enough to understand like, wait, I need to create my own value instead of looking outwards. How do you think we fix it?
Successful is all about self-definition, which is what I was saying at the beginning. You have to decide who you want to be. And if you wanted to be Joe Schmo and you pull it off, then you'll be a pretty happy, content person. It decides who you want to be. I think the people who are miserable, it's the gap between their expectations and their reality. That's where the misery lies. Yeah. My expectations were always enormously high. Even when I was a nobody, I knew I had to be filthy rich and a kickboxer. At the age of 15, I knew that if I'm the kind of guy that if I raise my voice, people are going to care. I'm not going to be the guy who starts shouting and everyone thinks it's funny. I know I'm going to be the kind of guy who's genuinely a formidable opponent in all realms of human endeavor. I know I'm going to have money. People who are miserable are the people who don't try hard enough to obtain it, because I actually believe, and this is another thing I'll say, I believe the universe is very giving. I think the universe and God himself is very giving. I've yet to meet somebody in all my years who is genuinely giving 100% of themselves day after day, doesn't snake anyone, firm handshake, look you in the eye, doesn't lie to nobody, and tries 100% who doesn't get what they want. I've never seen it. Every single person who doesn't have what they want, there's something in their story that doesn't quite add up. I've yet to see some guy who, have you ever seen a guy who eats right and trains his ass off and never misses a gym session, ever not grow? It's just, that's the way the universe works, right? So if you're truly about it and you're truly trying your absolute best, you're going to do it. And that's what I believe. I believe the universe is extremely giving. So when I meet somebody and they go, I really wanted this and I don't have it, I say, you didn't really want it.
All like the successful people, most successful people in the world, would you say that all of them have like something in common in the sense of like some sort of hardship in their life? It's not...
I mean, trauma is extremely important. And this actually goes back into answering the first part of your question, which is interesting. There's a study I read about stress. And it was saying that stress has a placebo effect attached to it, because the placebo effect is extremely powerful. So they found some of the most stressed people in the world, and they split them into two groups, and they're all equally stressed. They all have a bunch of cortisol in their blood. People who believed that stress was bad for you and that stress can hurt you, and they believed those media articles, were dying earlier. They were having heart attacks and having stress-related illnesses. The people who believed the opposite, who just said, stress is part of being successful. I like stress. When I feel stressed, I do my best. It makes me anxious. It turns my brain on. I like being stressed. Lived longer than average. Point is, the same drug, how you look at it and how your body anticipates it, how you feel about it, affects the real world results. Which goes back into what you were saying earlier about the jealousy. You're saying people look on social media and they get jealous and it demotivates them. That's because they decide to be demotivated by it. Do you know what happens when I get jealous of somebody? I fucking beat them. If I look at somebody who has something I ain't got, I will take it from them by hook or by crook. Love it. I wish someone could make me jealous. It's hard now. I got everything. I wish I could look at somebody and go, fucker, I'm gonna beat you.
Would you say jealousy is the #1 part for motivation?
Well, I don't think motivation is a real thing. I don't believe in motivation as a concept. I think discipline is real, and I also think discontentment is real. And I don't think it's possible for anybody to stay in a scenario where they're truly uncomfortable. If you fall asleep on your arm and your arm really starts to hurt, even in the deepest sleep, you're gonna wake up and move your arm. If you sit there and your life has been in a rut for 7 years, you are semi-comfortable in that rut. Sure, there's days you're pissed off. Sure, you're semi-annoyed by it. But there's also days where you just play video games, eat pizza, and you're kind of cool with it and it's no big deal. If you were truly unhappy and uncomfortable and discontent with your scenario, you wouldn't be in it. So I don't believe there's anybody who's truly... When I was broke, I couldn't sleep. I was saying that, please understand me. When I was broke, I couldn't sleep. I'd be trying to go to bed thinking, how the fuck these people have Ferraris? I want a fucking Ferrari. I couldn't sleep.
People aren't taught to be self-aware anymore. People are taught to just like I said, look at that guy, what he has, and be mad that you don't have it. Or like, if something's going on with me, I don't want to look inside and say, what's actually happening with me? Why am I this way? Why am I the person that I am today? But I want to figure out deeply, how do you think a man, specifically in this case, is able to look at themselves more comfortably without holding the judgment, the fact that they don't have the stuff over themselves? Because
completely, you're totally right. I think there's two answers to the question. One, I think a lot of it came from chess, because chess is the most ruthless game on the planet. And what chess will teach you, chess teaches you that if you lose, at some point you made a mistake. It doesn't matter if it's the smallest mistake. It doesn't matter if you just took too long to think to make the right move and you ran out of time on the clock. At some point you fucked up for you to lose that game. It's 100% accountability with no luck. That's what's so important about learning chess. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, you need to, as a man, adopt the mindset that absolutely everything that happens to you is completely and utterly your fault, whether it's good or bad. Most men don't have that. When the Matrix was attacking me and they were destroying me, when they're calling up my exes trying to get fake fucking charges on me and put me in jail, when they close my bank accounts and I use $10, $11 million, when they ban me across all social medias and lie about me, when they harass my family, I'm sitting there going, this is my fault. All of this is me. I got here. It's my fault. I'm not going, that was unfair. It was orchestrated. The NGOs worked against me. Because that is not helpful.
So it's accountability.
It's 100% accountability in all things. But also when I go out there and I start the Bugatti, it's like, that's me. This is my fault. The car is my fault, and the big house is my fault, and everything that ever goes wrong is my fault.
And the failures.
Yeah, absolutely. You have to take complete and utter accountability for everything. You can't make excuses ever. Yeah. There's never an excuse. And you're right. People try and put things on the outwards on the outside. It's interesting. I remember watching Forrest Gump about 5 years ago. I was on a plane. I can't remember where I was flying. And the beginning of Forrest Gump has a scene in it when he's sitting on the bench at the beginning. Think about Forrest Gump. He's sitting on the bench at the beginning, and there's a feather lands on him, and the movie begins.
Yeah.
What they're saying with that is Forrest is the feather, and life has just pushed him all over and put him in all these unusual scenarios. Life has directed him everywhere. Yeah. That's what it's saying.
Sure.
And if you're going to be the guy and you're going to allow life to happen to you, and you're not going to happen to life, then you're at mercy of the wind. Perhaps it might work out okay, but it might not, right? So you have to be the guy who goes, okay, the wind's blowing in this direction. Fuck them. I'm doing this. You have to come to life. You can't let life come to you, because if you let life come to you, then you're going to be living inside of a matrix and a system which is designed not for you to live your best life. It's designed for you to comply.
How do you think men can build more confidence in like deciding their life instead of just letting it be decided for them?
Yeah, so they have to take absolute responsibility, which is the first thing. The second thing, they have to get competence, and competence is going to allow you to have confidence. You're not going to be good at shit if you're bad at shit. You have to be good at things. You're only going to be confident at things if you're good at things. I know what I'm good at and what I'm bad at. So you have to go out there and take risks, and you have to make mistakes, and you have to risk it all. And once again, this comes down to competition. I think competition is such an important thing in the masculine world. I grew up in the chess world, then I went in the fighting world. It was all extremely competitive. It's competition driven. You can't make excuses. If I sit here and say I lost a fight, cool, you lost a fight. But I lost a fight, but my gloves, when they were wrapped up, my hand was hurting, and then they
excuses.
Like, you have to understand that excuses don't matter. Nobody cares. Life's binary. Winners or losers, and you just have to take absolute responsibility for it.
People are so caught up when things happen. This is why this happened to me, because of this, because of my childhood, because of my past trauma, because of my life, whatever. But people are so not taught to like look inwards and go towards those things.
Well, I
think
you think playing victim is it's
an easy way out.
Yeah.
It's a laziness. It's an easy way out. It's a good excuse, and it also makes you feel better about yourself. Me and my brother have another thing we do. We do this all the time. If either of us are ever complaining about anything, we shut each other up and say, do you want therapy? Because if you don't want therapy, what are you talking about? The main reason people complain about things is to get a dopamine rush, right? I'm unhappy, but if I sit there and I complain about it and you give me a little bit of sympathy, I feel better. Dopamine. That's why they're complaining for dopamine. If someone comes to me and complains about something, the best thing I can do for them, because I'm a philanthropic, nice man, because I'm Mr. Nice, is tell them to get fucked. I don't care. Shut up. A lot of this comes down to your social circle. Because there's a whole bunch of guys out there whose friends accept excuses. If your friends will allow you to make excuses, you're going to make excuses. If your family let you make excuses, you're going to make excuses. You're going to complain and feel better. You got to be around killers who don't accept that shit. If me and let's say me and 3 friends, there's 4 of us, and we all decide to do 10,000 push-ups a day, and all of us do them except one, there's no words inside the human language, there's no sentence you could possibly construct, no matter how compendious or concise or how intelligent the man is, that will allow us to forgive him for failing. You don't accept excuses. That is it.
All right. So, yeah, guys, today we have some work on my home, and yeah, it will be. Let me first check the sound there. Let me check the sound. Everything is good or not. If everything is good, then we should be good to go for a live stream, man. Alright, so everything is good, man. Everything is good. And one thing I wanna say you guys today, uh, we are working on some solar things. So guys, please just like don't let me let me let me add the chat box on the stream, and then we can work, man. We can work. So fuck, man. It is too loud. It is too noisy. Too noisy. Can't even imagine how noisy it is. So looks like 4 hour candidate close. Very bullish. Yeah. So but it is still in no trade range. Let me mark up the ranges. Let me mark up the zone so we can understand the market behaviors. We can understand the market moves. We can understand what we have to do. Everything. So yeah, you can see this is that will be the BE point. So 4 hour just closed bullish, so we need like bottom wick, but the problem is this candle close above this range, but this candle close below this range. So yeah, this is the problem, but man, we should not care about this. Yeah, if we can get the closure above, we will go up. This is the thing that we are planning. This is the thing, this is our setup. And whenever our setup shows up, we have to go for that setup. Nothing, not anything else, nothing. Just waiting for the setup. Whenever setup shows up, just execute the trade. Yeah, that's it. So here is the BE point, and here is the partial TP point. Oh, fuck. Oh, so let me again write the BE BE point partial TP. So yeah, now everything is in front of you. Let's see, man. Let's see how we can get the how the things plays out, how we can get the things there. Yeah, that's it. 30 minute, 1 hour. Yeah, everything should be good. 30 minute, 15 minute. All right, so let's put some rectangles there because rectangles are important. Rectangles mean we have to go for this. We have to go for the trade if we can get the closure above. That is the meaning of the rectangles. So if we look at the 15-minute, looks like we have 2 pips difference. Yeah, 3 pips. Yeah, I'll keep this, man. I'll keep this support there. So I know, like, I know this will work. This will work. So yeah, everything should be good. Here is my potential sells closure below, and maybe I just wait for the range too, but yeah, we will see how we will see. I don't think so I will wait for the range too, but because like 4-hour candle close below this resistance, you can see this resistance there, it closed below this resistance, so it makes sense for us, like maybe now this is the now we can start the move down. So this is the thing that I am anticipating there. Like if we break the low of the previous bullish candle and if we can get the closure below, what does that mean? That means we are coming down and we have clean range. We can easily go down to this level or this level, or we can even like go to this level. So yeah, but the problem is we did break the current the previous structure. So that is the only thing that hesitates me, but the thing is we still are good. We are still good. We still can go down, we still can go up. We don't have to like anticipate. We only have to just wait for the our setup to shows up, and yeah, that's it. That is the only thing that we need. We don't need anything else. We don't have to like we don't have to just assuming, hey, where this price goes, where is this candle try to goes up or goes down. No, if we can get the closure above, we will go up. If we can get the closure below, we will go down. That's it, simple, nothing else. What the hell is this? So let's see. All right. All right, so here are the potential sells, and here are the potential buys. Here is the BE point. Everything is in front of you. Nothing else, man. Why we have to like make things difficult? No, we have to keep everything simple. So this is the BE point and partial TP for the cells. Partial TP. So yeah, here is everything. What else you need? I don't know. For me, this is everything for me. So let's see what's going on the stream. So alright, so guys, if you are on the stream, just please leave a like on the stream, man. Leave a like, leave a like on the stream. That is that is that this is what I need from you. I need nothing, no money, nothing. Just need likes, just need subscribe the channel, and because when you subscribe the channel, you will be in my family. You will be the family of my YouTube channel. And if you like, if you subscribe the channel or if you like the video, this is the gifts that family exchanges. So now we have a good bottom wick there. If we can get the closure above, man, you can imagine where we are going. So yeah, everything is simple, everything is good. Yeah, we have almost like 55 pip range there. 55 pip range is a good range there. So I think we just have to wait. We just have to wait. Alright, so let me let's see where we can get the closure. Yeah, and GJ, wow, looks like, yeah, last daily candle close, good bearish candle with a good bottom wick, and this candle fill the wick on the daily time frame. But the problem is, this is the problem area that we have on the daily time frame. Let's delete all these ranges, everything. Everything. Let me delete all these things so we can analyze the charts very well. So if we look at the daily time frame, we can see this. We create a resistance there. Let's delete this. If we look at the daily time frame, so if we look at the daily time frame, we can see this. That was the breakout on the daily time frame, and we see some range for like 1 2 3 for a week, but that was the breakout. So this is where that was the new high. This is where spot new resistance was formed, and one daily close a week bearish. Next candle fill this wick, the next candle fill the wick, came down. Next candle leave a good like 100 pip bottom wick to fill the wick on the daily time frame. Yesterday daily candle fill this wick and like came down, rejected this area on the daily time frame, and we can see this is the problem area. This is the strong support area at 184 800, 184 800, and looks like the candle is again rejecting. Candle is rejecting the same area one more time. Looks like it is on the daily time frame. If we look at the 4-hour time frame, we can see this. Look at this. Every time candle came down, it rejects. Like I have my this level, and I was anticipating maybe it reject from this area, and looks like it came all the way up. And if we look at the current candle, current 4-hour candle, and that current candle also came down, tried to close below, but it rejected one more time, man. It rejected one more time. So looks like we are rejecting this area, but we are printing lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Now we print the lower low. If we like create a resistance, then we can print another lower low. But the thing is, if we can break and close above the lower high, that means trend is broken, structure is broken, then we can go up to retest this area one more time. If we go to the 1-hour time frame, we can see this. Yeah, we can see this. This is the strong resistance area. Strong resistance area. Look how many time we reject from this area. Look how many time, man. One time, two time. Fuck, fuck, fuck. We reject this area. One, two, three, four, five, six, now seven. This is the seventh time we rejected this area on the 1 hour time frame. And if we'll go to the 30-minute time frame, let's see what's going on the 30-minute time frame. Same thing, nothing. Same support there, man. Same support there. I don't wanna, like, if we can get the closure below, you can imagine, man, where we are going. Where we are going next. We are going down. Oh, fuck. So let's delete all these things, all these areas. So yeah, get rid of all these ranges zones. Here is the good zone. So look at this, man. If we can get the closure above, every time we came to this area we just came up. So let's delete this partial TP, everything deleted. And now we came down one more time to this area. So this is the thing why we have to look at the left hand side. Now you can understand why we have to look at the left hand side, because left hand side is telling everything to us. It is telling us, hey, you have to take the trade or you don't have to take the trade. This is the thing that this is telling us. Left hand side. Let me just see one thing. Yeah, everything is good. Oh, hello, buddy. Arslan. Hey, bro, how are you, man? So, looks like every time we came to this area, we rejected this area. But all I can anticipate on the 30-minute time frame, on the 15-minute, oh wow, look at this, man. We just create a spot on this very strong area, and yeah, we can see this, man. Very strong area. And our, if we look at the 30-minute time frame, I think yeah, this is the area where we can go, like, man. So let's see if we can get the 30-minute closure, man. Then we can anticipate for the next candle to come down. So far we can see this, that was the area. Like, we break above this area, came down. Yeah, that was in the night. So yeah, I think that was the breakout in the Asian session. 6:30, I'm talking about Pakistan time. And yeah, 7:30, that was the trade on the 7:30 Pakistan time. Stop loss looks like 10-11 pips. That was pretty, like, big move of 50 pips, at least 50 pips, because there is nothing. So if we can get the closure candle to close bearish, then we will definitely go for a trade. Yeah, man, we will go for a definitely we will go for a trade. And that's it, man, that's it. And looks like, all right, so let's remove, oh wow, look at the 15-minute time frame, man. 15-minute time frame makes more sense. If this 15-minute candle can close strong bearish, what does that mean? That means if this candle strong bearish, overall 30-minute candle will close bearish candle. And if the 30-minute candle close bearish, then we have an onion play setup. We have a good stop loss. We have everything good, man. Everything good. Yeah, all we need is the candle to close. Yeah, all we need is candle to close. And looks like gold looks like pushing down. And the way it is pushing down, it is also good. No problem. This is the thing that I said. as we started the stream, I said this, man, we just closed below this resistance on the 4 hour time frame. We may continue go down. So this is the thing that I like tell you on the start of the stream. We may continue go down. So that is why I am open for buys, I'm open for sells. I have no problem to take buys or to take sells. No problem at all, because because I'm not the trader who only looks at the 30-minute or 15-minute time frame. I was that guy, man. I was that guy. I was losing money every day. Then I realized, man, no, I'm not doing good. I have to change the way I am trading. Then I changed my way, man, and now I'm not saying that I am a pro trader, but I am a disciplined trader, trader with a good mindset or stuff like that. But still, I'm still learning. I'm still growing. Yeah. So all we need is the candle closure, a strong bearish candle mean 4 or 5 pip body there for the bearish candle. Yeah, nothing else, man. I don't want. And also, if we look at the 4 hour time frame, oh, GJ looks good on the 4 hour time frame. Like, that was the onion play. We tapped into this area. Fuck, man, fuck you. So yeah, man, we can see this. Like, this candle tapped into this area, came up, and we see next candle bullish, next candle weak bullish. This candle came up and gives us a onion play setup. And yeah, that was the onion play. This candle came all the way down in the AN session, and yeah, that was it. You can see this. That was a 72 pip range. It covers the whole range, but looks like we are good because this candle closed below this range. So maybe we fill this week. We can fill this week. This is good. 30 pip range there. Yeah. And after this, we have another beautiful. Yeah, we have another beautiful range there. Clean range. And yeah, we can, man, today is the trading day, and today I will not close my stream until uh until 2 p.m. Pakistan time, man. Now we have to take the trade. Like, yesterday I closed the stream. When I closed the stream, and after 15 minutes I got the setup, and I was like, man, what the heck is this? I have to take this setup on my stream. And fuck, man, I said to myself, man, I have to take this setup on the stream, so in front of the people. Then ask myself, hey man, what can I do now? And I was like, yeah, I can easily, I can record the video, and I can put on the Instagram story. And I put the that video on the Instagram story with proper stop loss, with proper TP, with proper sell stop price, everything I shows on the Twitter. And if someone took the trade, congratulations. If someone not, on to the next one, maybe next time. Because yeah, this is the thing that I will do everything, man. This is not the one day plan. This is the big plan. This is like I'm here to do this shit for like maybe for the rest of my life. Yeah, I will never leave the trading because man, this is the thing that I want from like 3 4 years, and I didn't get the good information the like like you found me and you can learn the stuff from me, but 2 years before I have nothing. I have no one to tell me, hey, one of my cousin was doing this and he didn't even tell me anything. Whenever I said to him, hey man, yeah man, whenever I said to him, hey man, hey, I wanna learn this skill, I wanna make money on trading, and he always said, hey, just don't do it. And he always said, hey, I I I open a demo account for you. First double this amount, then I will tell you how to do trading. And I was like, what the fuck, man, what's wrong with you? If I know how to trade, then how why I have to ask from yourself, hey, tell me this. And if I'm able to double this account, how can I how like if I don't know anything about trading. And he, you know what he did? Yeah, live tuck 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 tuck. And you know what he said to me first? Like he opened an account of $100, and he said to me, hey man, just double this account and you can only trade on the 1 cent. It means I have to double. I need almost 1000 pips. I need 1000 pips to double that account. And I was like, man, what's wrong with you? How can I, like, I at the time I didn't even know what pips are, what price is. I just like, he said to me, hey, just use 0.01 as I said to him, yeah, I will use this. And I blow that account like I was in their home. And when I was on the way to my home, I take that account, and I was like, man, I have to like double this account now. And you know what I did? I blow the account before reaching to my home. This is the thing that I did, and I was like, man, this is not the thing. And now I understand, man. No one can. I'm saying to you, man, if you start your $100 account, and if you have to only trade on the, I don't know, if you have to only trade on the 1 cent, man, you are not going to double your account. You are not. You are not going to double your account, even if you are all right. So looks like this kind of close with no wick at the bottom. Gold is pushing up, yeah, and GJ closed with no wick at the bottom. On the 30-minute time frame it looks good, but 15-minute time frame, very shit, man. And you know what? The only loss that I took on this stream was this loss. Let me show you this, guys. Let me show you this. Where is that loss? Where is that loss, man? Where can I find that loss? Where? Where? What the hell is this? should be able to see that loss. And same thing happened to me with like, no, I'm not able to find that loss. Yeah, I'm not able to find the loss. Yeah, I will find this, but for now, so 15 minute. Oh, I go to the 5 minute. Man, I don't know. If it came up, create a steeper top wick, then maybe. Not maybe, I will definitely go for a sell, but for now, nothing. If it drives down, it drives down. Yeah, we can anticipate this move, but the way 15 minute candle close, let me show you guys. Custom period, 1st June. Oh, yeah, alright, so let's find that loss. When was that happen? That happened on 11/13. 13 13 13. Oh, 13. Yeah, that should be here. Alright, here is it. So what was the problem there? Look at this. 15 minute candle close with no wick at the bottom. 30 minute candle close with no wick at the bottom. But what we did, I go to the 1 hour time frame, and I see this. Hey man, I have to take this trade or just on the 1 hour time frame. Fuck you. Yeah, this is the thing. Like, I took this trade on the 1 hour time frame, and it came down for like 7 6 7 pips, and I was like, man, I just take the right trade. Even though I break my rule, I take the trade. But yeah, that was not good. That was not good. And yeah, then I close half in 7 pips, 8 pips, and close full at 18 pips. And that was the thing. This is the mistake that I don't wanna repeat that mistake. And if it works out, I will learn something that I learned the last time. What I learned, if the candle is closing on the 15 minute or the 30 minute time frame with no wick at the bottom, no trade. Even though it looks like when we say, hey man, this candle closed with no wick at the bottom, like this candle closed with no wick at the bottom. But if we look at the 1 hour time frame, this candle has a bottom wick. What does that mean? That means we have to take sells? No, it makes no sense to take sells, man. No, it makes no sense. So this is the thing that I have to show you guys on this stream, man. If you are a disciplined trader, then there is no problem. Even though this is my favorite setup. This is my favorite setup, man. This is my best setup. Best. But the problem is on the 15 minute time frame, man. Yeah, problem is on the 15. Like, we have almost like there is no problem till this level 20 pips, man. No problem. Clean move, but what we can do, man? Nothing. We have to follow the plan. We have to follow our plan. The only thing we have to do. And you can guys ask one question, hey, why you are not trading on the US30? Here is the thing why I'm not trading on US30, because every day US30 is giving us a fake out. Look at this, it gives us a fake out yesterday, and it is doing the same thing every day. So that is why I just like, look at this, kinda close above, fake out, stop you out. So that is why I am not too much interested in US30 for these days. Yeah, if the price action change, I will definitely start trading on the US30. So yeah, there was, look at this, this candle did close above these ranges, but what happened? Next candle came down. This is the thing that I am looking at every day. So this candle gives us a breakout, look at this, and yeah, next candle came down. So that is why I am not trading US30. I always see, hey, what happened, what's going on. So I look at everything, how the price action is going on, everything. So I think that is why I am doing a little good than you, because you are not anticipating you are not looking at what's going on, what happened yesterday, what happened the day before. Like the trade I lost on 13th of November, I still remember that trade. Man, this is kind of the thing that we all have to have is the 13th November trade. I still remember this trade, 13th of November. I still remember this trade, and I know I don't need to. And in November, I am up 1%. Yeah, I'm up 1% in November. And man, yesterday after the stream, I took 3 trades. Let me show you this, guys. Let me show you this. I took 3 trades. Fuck, man. Just wait a minute. So you can see that was the first trade that I took on the breakout, and that was the beautiful. I close half at 14 pips. This trade goes like in 20 pips, but I was looking for the whole range to cover, but yeah, that's not happened. And then this that was the second breakout. That was the second breakout, and this candle closed below the range, and I was like, man, we still have like 23 24 pip range, and we can like take this trade easily. And I execute the trade, but unfortunately missed this. Like when this candle close bullish, and I don't know, this candle close with no wick at the top, so I have to like uh, I shouldn't close this trade, but yeah, I decided to close the trade. I was like, man, I'm up 1 trade, and yeah, I'm considering this trade uh break even trade. But we have the whole New York session is in front of us, so we can make some money in New York session. So just close this trade. And then I see this, man, this thing is just coming down, and that was the banger trade, like 28 pips. I just do the thing that Ali always do, just close the trade, and no partials, nothing. This is the thing that I have done, and this is the thing that I have done, like no partials, nothing. Close the full trade in 22 pips and made 2%. So this is the thing that I did after the stream, I think I have to do this in front of the people, so that is why I am on the stream like. All right, so yeah, I said this before, this thing can go down easily because there is no problem, clean area. For me the problem was this, man. Why this candle closed with no wick at the bottom? I don't know why. Maybe like if this candle close below the range or close with the bottom wick, I can take the trade on the candle open, man. That was the beautiful 10, 20, 12 pips. But I'm not anticipating for this for just 10 pips. Like we have to cover the whole range. Whole range. So this is the whole range, 44 pips. We have to at least like take 15, 19. Yeah, we have the first problem area is there. So but the thing is, one to one is done, one to one is done there. So Muhammad Ali, morning bro. Hello Ali, how are you bro? Good morning, good morning. And here are Stan, fine, Alhamdulillah bro. Yeah, so let me create a Zoom link for Muhammad Ali, and then we will we will discuss further. Yeah, we will discuss further. So Ali, I have sent you a link, man. Zoom link. Yeah, I've sent you a Zoom link. So let's yeah, man. This can go down. This is the thing that I said to Raja Banks, man. The thing I the best.
Hello,
Oh man, another 15-minute candle close with no wick at the bottom on GJ. Another 15-minute candle, man. Ali, how are you, bro?
I'm good. I'm good. How about you?
I'm man fine, doing good stuff. Did you took the trade
Mm.
on GJ?
Right now?
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
You are
But
not in?
I no, but I got yesterday one trade and it was break even on GJ late
Bro,
night,
why you
like
move your stop
8
loss
p.m.
to break even?
No,
Whenever I talk
it,
with you, you just tell me, hey, one trade got stopped out at break even. What the fuck, man? Just let your trade run, bro.
no, it was valid break even. That 8 p.m. close, see the charts on GJ?
Man, I yesterday I let's see 8 p.m. 8 8 8 8. Oh, you took a buy or sell?
I took a sell on the fake out and resistance forming on GJ.
Oh.
That was, yeah.
You
I
took the
just took
trade
that,
on the candle open?
yeah, candle open when it went for like 10 to 9 pips. So I didn't move
Yeah.
my stop to break even, but when this candle closed with heavy bullish, so
Oh.
when the next retracement, I just get out of the trade.
Yeah, the best thing you have done. Then you the best thing like first like why we always take the trades. We always wait for the candle to close before
Yeah,
executing the trade. So we should do the same thing. We have to wait for the candle to close before closing or before moving stop loss to break even or stuff like that. Like we know like it can just stopped us out like this kind of did yesterday with me. But the thing is I'm happy because like I oh wow, so 30-minute close. Oh, still bearish. Oh, right, so that is the so yesterday. Oh, that was on the second account. Ali, what you think? I have to like show my face. Can I? Should I have to uh, setting the webcam or not?
man, whatever you are comfortable with. If you are comfortable showing your face, I recommend you a webcam.
Yeah, I just buy a
Mm.
webcam. I have everything, but the problem is, I was checking this and like I don't know because of the slow internet. I My internet is not slow. It sometimes it goes. My downloading speed goes up to 15 MBs per second.
Yeah,
And yeah, the thing is, I don't have a graphics card on my computer. Maybe that was the problem. But so let's just wait 5 minutes. Let me do the settings because I have to keep a ring light. Also, I am in a very rough position. So yeah, we have to show guys our rough position.
yeah.
Yeah, just wait a minute, guys. I'm coming with with my webcam. Yeah, use new camera. Yeah. Oh man, I am very rough. I'm in a very rough position. So let's see, guys. So, let's see, where is this? Where it should be good. Where it should be good. Where it should be good. Alright, guys. I think it is lagging on YouTube. I don't know.
What?
Can you see?
No, I can't see you. Yeah, right now I can see you.
It is lagging?
Yeah, it is lagging a little bit.
Yeah, when I was in Raja Bank's Zoom session, his webcam was also lagging, and I was like, man, his webcam is lagging, so then it is obvious for me, for my webcam to lag.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, he moved his original PC, I think, in UAE. That is
Oh,
why he's living in UAE now.
okay. That means sitting in the five-star hotel streaming to trade, huh?
Man, I'm in a very rough position. I didn't even like wash my face.
No, that's fine. That's fine. You
I
look good.
always like live in that kind of stuff. Like whenever I have to go out of my home, I just uh, like I like go with a total fresh face with like everything good, but in my home because I'm not like that guy who how can I tell you? Yeah, I'm not that kind of a guy who always दुनिया में पहली दफा ये चेहरा देख के किसी ने कहा होगा गर्लफ्रेंड ਤੁਹਾਡੇ
That's
ਵਰਗੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਨਾ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਅੱਬਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਇਹ ਪੈਦਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਨਾ ਇਹਦਾ ਅੱਬਾ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੱਲੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਠਾਈ ਦੇ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਨਾਲ ਮੁੰਡਾ ਦਿਖਾ ਰਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਤੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਅੱਬੇ ਨੇ ਇੱਕ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੂੰ ਮਠਾਈ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਤੇ ਉਹਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਚਾਚਾ ਖੁਸਰੇ ਆ ਗਏ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਹਾ ਚਾਚਾ 200 ਰੁਪਏ ਲੈਣਾ ਖੁਸਰੇ ਆਏ ਉਹ ਨੱਚ ਰਹੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਕਹਾ ਚਾਚਾ 200 ਲੈਣਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਅੱਬੇ ਨੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਸਾਨੂੰ 100 ਦੇ ਕੇ ਹੀ ਲੈ ਜਾਓ 100 ਸਾਨੂੰ ਦੋ ਦੇ ਲੈ ਜਾਓ
yeah.
and yeah and
No, it's the typical Pakistani position, you know. Everyone sits like that in his home.
No,
So
in
whenever we,
Pakistan, people are wasting
yeah,
their too much time outside of their home. I don't go outside of my home. I have very little friend circle and very small circle. Like I just uh, cut my friend circle very small. Now I have like two friends that I spend time with them. Other than that, I have no one, man. I have no one. So
yeah, the more mature you get, the more your circle will get smaller because you get to know the real people among you.
yeah, I think people always say, "Hey, you need people." Man, I always say, "No, I don't need someone. I don't need anyone." Like
Uh,
I don't like. I'm not that guy. I said this before, man. I'm very different guy. I don't want to waste my time with people who are not. And the both of my friends. Actually, I have 4 or 5 friends total. And but some friends, 2 friends are in my city, and 2 friends are in Bahawalpur. And
oh,
whenever I go Bahawalpur, I spend time with them. And there was a time like 3 years before I have almost more than 100 friends,
yeah,
and that was a disaster, man. That 2 years was disaster. Like when I was in a first year, I was in a college. I always came home at 12 p.m. Pakistan time. I like eat my uh, breakfast from my home, and then I eat lunch with my friends. And they were not my friends. I don't call them friends, man. Like friends are those you can't forget them, and I forget all of those people. I don't care about
yeah,
anyone, man. And whenever someone like behave something odd with me, I said to that man, "Hey man, you can't even imagine what kind of people I have left, and you are nothing. You can't even imagine what kind of people. The people that I have left, they were everything for me there at one point, and now they are nothing for me. So you have to understand this, because I don't care about people if they leave me, man. I don't care. So yeah, this is the thing that I like. Whenever my relatives say something that is a little odd, and if they said that thing in joke, I just kept them, "Hey man, no, that will never work with me." And
hmm,
yeah, 2 3 days before, one of my cousin were saying to me, "Hey, I was joking with you, and you just like uh, but I said to him, "No, I have my limits." And yeah, there was a time, man, when I was crazy for one girl, and man, that time was tough, and I was very weak at the time. And then I said to myself, "Hey, man, I'm not that guy. My goals are not this. Like, just go crazy for one girl. No, these are not my goals. I have to work on my goals. And if I keep things like this in my mind, then I'll never go anywhere. I will stuck wherever I am now." So that was the thing, man. That was the thing. So I just told friend and told I'm here, I'm there. So now no friend. I had just 2 friends. Oh, had mean you. And when tough time hit, they left. Oh man, this is the reality. No one is your friend, man. This is the thing I always said. People are, man. The young generation in Pakistan, they are crazy. They don't know what to do. Yeah, they are crazy. They are like they have Punjabi songs, and they always said, "ओ जट दे यार ने ते जट दे प्यार ने ओ भाई कुछ भी नहीं है." Why people are not understanding this? Because they have nothing to do and you have nothing to do. That is why you are friend. If they find something to do, man, they are not your friend. The problem is they have nothing to do. That is why they are wasting their time with you. Nothing else, man. Nothing else. This is the
And
thing people
sometimes
don't understand.
on cities is hard because they often use you for their advantage. But you have, but if you have a friend with your hometown or like on village side, they will definitely be with you for the in your tough times. But
Yeah,
friendships on the
yeah.
cities are
This is the
really hard.
thing. I always said like, वो ना एक कहावत है कि गरीब लड़की नहीं गरीब यार और इस्लामी लड़की कभी
Mm.
धोखा नहीं देती. अब मैं पक्का याद नहीं है इसी तरह का ही था कुछ कि गरीब दोस्त और इस्लामी लड़की.
Yeah,
And man, like we think like our elders, whatever they said, it is just nothing. And no, man, if they are saying something, they are saying that things according to their experience, and they spend times with hundred of peoples. Like we are
yeah,
spending times with hundred of candles, and we can explain these candles very clear as compared to someone other. So this is the thing. This is the thing. Like they have spent time with peoples, and we have spent times with candles. We know about candles, and they know about peoples.
yeah,
So, but no one is your friend, man. No one is your friend. Like the
yeah.
friend, the people I call them a friend, they are with me now. And one of my friend is Forex trader, and one of my friend is he is a jeweler, and they are the biggest jeweler in our area. And they both have mentality of like investing and earning businesses. This is why I always enjoy their company because our taste is same. So, but the
Yeah.
people who I don't have same taste, I don't want to spend time with them. I think now it is enough. Now I can last. Yeah, I'm lagging on the stream. So video capture device. All right. So Ali, the only person now, you are the only person who can talk me on video because now I just remove my video from the YouTube.
Why?
I think I have to do something better for video. Maybe because it is lagging. If it is not lagging, then I have no problem. But for now, it is lagging. So that is why I am considering this a little problem.
Yeah.
Man, we missed the GJ trade, bro.
What can you do?
That was a trade. And I said this can go down, but the problem is the same mistake we did in the past
Yeah.
on 13th of November. This is the thing, like this 30-minute and 15-minute candle close with no wick at the bottom, and we switched our time frame to 1 hour time frame, and we take this trade on the 1 hour time frame. And I said this, man. Whenever I said this, I can forget my winning trades, but I can't forget my losing trades because I asked hundred of questions from myself. Hey man, why you lose this trade? Oh,
I think yesterday you moved a lot on the piece and scored the point. What a clean setup it gave. Oh my God.
just
I was a little
with
puzzled. Asian moved a lot, I guess. What a clean setup it gave on GJ
Yeah, no problem.
and gold as well.
If Asian move clean, that was not our move.
Yeah, but the
Like
thing
if
is, when Asian moves a lot, London quite consolidate as well.
But the
When I
problem is that was the setup, and I will take this setup every day, onion play. And but the problem for me was this candle on the 15-minute candle has no bottom wick, man. If this candle has a
yeah,
little bottom wick, I will definitely go for this trade.
yeah,
And I said this, the first problem area is this area. But now we the if someone takes this trade, he should be in 25 pips in profit. And if he took the trade on the 15-minute time frame or 30-minute time frame, he should be in a profit of 20 pips. 20 pips, man. 20 pips. Why we how we can miss this trade, man? How? But the problem is
if
that
it's
was
not
not,
our plan,
yeah,
yeah,
that
if
was
it's
not
not our plan,
our
we don't
plan.
miss
The
it.
problem is this. The only problem that was there is that was not my plan. The only plan I have now is gold for to close, or you know what, one thing, if the candle if we can find the bullish candle on the 30-minute time frame, I will go for a buy. Tell me the reason. Let me look at this. One rejection, two rejection, three, four, five. Like every time we came to this point, we just reject from this area. We just reject from this area. Just rejection from this area.
You mean on
Rejection
gold?
on GJ.
Oh, GG. Yeah, it makes sense to take a buy over there.
Oh,
And we can hold the trade as well.
yeah.
Yeah. GJ, I don't have quite a plan yet for this until it. No, no, I'm talking about GJ. If that, yeah, if it creates a support, we can buy and hold the trade as well. Mm. Yeah, yeah. If it breaks, yeah, if it breaks, yeah, yeah,
When we
yeah.
have same problem area on every time frame, then man, we have to go for a trade.
Yesterday I had a buy on gold as well. When this candle closed above the range and 1 hour had a support, but the next candle just moved really strangely. It it comes out, break the low, then break the high, then again break the low, then again break the high. When this can, yeah, but when that candle 15 closed on gold, yeah, on when 1 hour candle closed with bullish, and the left hand side it was a retest to this area as well. It means it's like called an order block or something, I guess. I don't know, but it was a heavy rejection area as well. So I took a buy over there and decided to hold the position. But this 8 a.m. candle was like behaving really strangely. When that candle closed bullish, so I moved my stop to break even, and the next candle, yeah, it came out, still stopped me out, and it went for like this. And my plan was to hold the whole this trade, because it was a heavy rejection area. This was If you see the left hand side on the past as well, when we reach this area, it just get the momentum from this side. And yeah, and if you see at this area as well, it's the same area and it just closed with heavy bullish and anticipated a fake out as well. So yeah, break even. Yesterday I got two break even. I was so pissed at myself. Like, what the fuck is going on? And then I just told myself that maybe it isn't my day.
Every day is
Yeah.
not your day. Some days are
Yeah.
market days, some days are your days. But I think the trade we missed on the GJ was our day on the 1 hour time frame.
Yeah. 1 hour was clean.
But the
I
problem was
wasn't paying attention on 1 hour, bro. If I just watched the 1 hour, I guess I could have enjoyed it.
no, for me there was no top week. I was looking for a little top wick and just
Mm.
go for a sell on the break of the previous candle low there. But
One thing I've noticed.
because I
Uh,
don't want to keep my stop loss this, I need 1 to 1, and I know I can't
yeah.
take 1 to 1.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Yesterday
Yeah,
I
that makes sense.
did the same thing that you always do. Like I was thinking of closing something less on this trade, and then I decided, yeah, man, close everything.
Yeah.
That was the setup on the 30-minute. Yeah, I was about to close 80% there, and I said, no, man, I will close everything because it will stop me out at break even.
Yeah.
And the
The
one
more
thing is,
you close your whole trade, no, the more you will understand by time that when to hold your trade and
yeah,
when to close
yeah, this
in
is the
your
thing.
position.
The
Yeah.
one guy from India, his name is I think Prabhat, and I said to him, hey, man, oh fuck, man, I always said, I asked him, hey, man, oh, yeah, whenever I close the trade, it just goes in my direction. And whenever I hold the trade, it just stop me out or stop me out at break even. And he said to me, hey, man, uh, you will understand this by the time when to hold the trade, when to not. And I was like, yeah, man, he's saying right. And this is the thing
Yeah.
we will like we know on the onion play we have to hold the trade whenever
One
now.
onion play on one on NYST trade. If you ever take the NYST trade, don't ever close your trade to 1 to 1.
Oh,
If you
oh
close,
yeah.
yeah, if you close your trade, just close 70% and let the 30 go. 30%
Oh
go. It will
yeah,
really go down.
yeah.
And I have back tested that a lot on my simulation as well. Like 7 out of 10 times it goes really heavily.
And that was 1 to 1 on GJ.
Yeah, right. No, you can't
Wow.
do anything. Yeah,
Why this kind of look at this? That was my plan. This kind of closed with no wick at the bottom. That was my plan. This kind of came down without even a top wick. Wow. Look at this, man. The only plan I have is to candle to close above, and I have my partial TP there, and I have. I will not close anything. I will wait for like 1 to 1. If I have 1 to 1, what's the market saying at the moment? Market is
yeah,
saying nothing. Market is saying just watch me and take your decision, whatever you want. I don't care
and
whatever you do. Like I don't give a fuck to your 2 cent or 100 cent or 1 lot or 100 lot trade. This is the
yeah,
$8.5 trillion market, and it yeah, it is saying this like everything it is saying I have on my screen, like potential buys close above, potential sells close below. We have a BE or point there. What the hell? And We have BE point for the sell there. We have partial TP for the buys there. Everything in front of uh, on the screen. So whatever market is saying,
Bro, Tayyabali, you need to take your time and learn about these things. You don't even know between the sell limit and sell stop. You're really fast. Yeah, you need to take time and take someone's course, or maybe you too. Watch someone.
yeah, man, he need too much. Actually, he first of all he need basic knowledge. Tayyabali, you need basic knowledge. He don't even know what pro accounts are, what standard accounts are, what like whatever the accounts are. He don't know, and he don't know like about commissions or spreads or sell limit. Bro, sell limit is, oh, all right. So let me show you this. Like if the price is there, you, why you can't hear? You can hear me, man. You can hear me. All right. So if the price is there and you want to take a sell from there, then you will place the sell limit there. Here is the sell limit. Like you said to yourself, hey, if the price came up to this level, here is my limit, just activate me. If you place your sells, if you wanna take the position from there, this is the sell stop, because you are, your price is uh, before the, below the, that's why I'm asking master. No, bro, I'm not master. I'm your Yeah, bro, we are family. We are family. We are Usman Trading Floor family. So look at this. This is the thing I'm telling you, bro. Like now, this is the sell stop because it is below the price. And if I have to place a buy, then it will be a buy limit. Look at this, buy limit. Because when price will came down, it will take your buy and it will go up. And you shouldn't care about the buy limit or buy stop. Whenever you like, whenever, oh, you are trading on your mobile phone, this is the problem. Yeah, this is the problem. So if you are like, we always use sell stop and buy stop, not sell limit or buy limit. We don't use sell limit or buy limit. We always use sell stop and buy stop. Sell stop and buy stop. Yeah, GJ is one more time pushing from the downside, man. Pushing up from the downside. This is the thing that I said to you, man. Yeah, GJ is, this is the extreme problem area. Okay, Usman Banks. Usman Banks?
You know, my the biggest concern then I'm facing right now is like when see this candle, I have a perfect example right now. Like this is our support and this is our resistance on GJ, a clear support and resistance. On current resistance is support, the current support that is facing. Like when my biggest issue that the now I'm facing, like when this candle close below the range, is it valid to sell from that, or shall I wait for the resistance form? Because it's three candles that move really heavily towards the downside. So if these breakout is if this candle gives us a breakout, is it a valid breakout or it is in the phase of its pullback? I've lost a lot of trust, a lot of trade like this. Yeah, I was saying that if these current candles close below the range, shall we go for a sell or shall we wait for the retracement? Because it already three can three candles close below the range. But if you look at the left hand side, it's a clean candle below. It have a high chance that it can go down. But the thing is, we have like three candles like bearish. I'm stuck in this like concept. I'm yeah.
Yeah, leave a like on the stream, guys. Leave a like. I need likes now. Need likes. We have 4 likes. Two quick more likes. Two more quick likes, man. Give me 2 more quick likes. Leave a like on the stream so we can. I think if we can get the closure below or closure above, there will be a good move there. Wow. Onion play always works. Onion play always works. Onion play always works. So the thing is, hey Ali,
Yeah, bro.
yeah. So we were talking about this, like we can wait for at least one candle to close bullish if we are looking for sells, and you know what? That will be an extra confirmation.
Yeah.
And like uh, just look at this way. Oh, let me tell you one thing, one more thing, guys. I give a free Zoom session in, I think that was in a September, and I give them uh I give them advice, like whenever we see a candle like this, and we see like, and there is no retracement. I said to I said to the guys, hey man, every time we see a candle, this kind of a candle, like 60, 70 pips, or sometimes it goes for 80 pips. Just wait a minute. So yeah, this is the concept that I give the people, like whenever we see the candle like this and you miss the trade, don't get mad on yourself, don't get angry on yourself. Just wait. You know what, the next candle will close like this. It 8 out of 10 times it closes like this. If the next candle breaks the low of that candle, you can keep the stop loss above the current candle, and you can aim for the wick fill. What happened there? It filled the wick. It filled the wick. So this is the thing that I am looking at every day. Like this thing is happen every day. No, every time, like not every day. Whenever this kind of candle happen, this setup happen every time. And I set this an inside bar. Inside mean this candle is inside this candle. It did not break this candle high, it did not break this candle low. Now this is inside. And if a bar mean a candle, or we can say this bar or whatever is inside bar, what whenever you found that inside bar, and let me show you one more thing, and I see this thing happening very time uh, yesterday. All right, so look at this, that was the inside bar. And what happened after the inside bar? Like this is another concept, and this is the thing that I am looking at. Like we have to fill this week. This is the thing that I am looking at. Yeah, man, this thing works. Maybe I like add another setup in my playbook, this inside bar setup. And gold just closed below the range. Nothing. Let me go to the 1 hour. Oh, we have this thing on the 1 hour. So if the next one, if this 1 hour candle close above the range, then man, you can imagine where we are going. Here are our partials. Then man, we are coming up, man. Then, but this candle is pushing up without a bottom wick. So talk So like now you can say that, hey Usman, your mic is not working, but it is working. Yeah, like we can take a buy there on the 15-minute time frame. I think the only trade was there was this trade, and now I'm only looking at the gold. I'm not looking at the GJ. Yeah, I'm not looking at the GJ. I'm looking at the gold. If we can catch this trade, everything should be good. If we if this candle close like very big candle, or if we miss this trade, then man, we are done for the day. We are done for the session. And I really wanna uh, do the live stream today for like 3 hours. But it is what it is. If we can't find the setter, man, what we can do? Nothing. But I will wait. I
Mhm.
will. I will like maybe I do the live stream for like 1.5 hour more. If we still
Man,
can't find the setup, then so we can't take a buy there, or we can't take a sell there. Yeah, like 1 hour is bearish, 4 hour is bearish, 30 minute is bearish. The only candle that is bullish is 15 minute, and this candle still did not fill this whole week, so it can come down or it can come up, but I think now like this, if now this candle close bullish, if the next candle, fuck man, if the next candle close below the range on the 30-minute time frame, then we will go for a sell. Now this is kind of a retracement that we need, and that retracement happened, man. Now the retracement happened. Now just this is our, like I really want this candle to came down, create a bottom wick, and close bearish, and the next candle to came up, close above the range, gives us a bottom wick, not very big bottom wick, so we can keep our stop loss below the previous candle, that will be 17 pips, and we will have BE point at 17 pips, or we may just like hold this trade. But the thing is, I really want this candle to came down, create a steeper bottom wick. So if like, look at this, if this candle take the liquidity grab, so there are less chances for the next candle to take that liquidity grab one more time. But if this candle did not have a liquidity grab, there are chances for the next candle to first take us in this trade and then stop us out. So this is the thing that I wanna avoid. And that was the candle that was moving up first without even a bottom wick, and I was like, man, I know this candle will go down. The way it is moving up very aggressively, it will go down. So yeah, then this candle grabbed the liquidity for the 4 hour time frame. Now everything is good, man. Like how much this candle more wanna go down, because now we it is just 8 pips away from the bottom wick from the previous 4 hour candle, so there are less chances for this candle to. And yeah, look at this, man, this candle is coming down, so that is why I said this, man. We have 30-minute candle bearish, 1 hour candle bearish, 4 hour candle bearish, daily is bearish, weekly is bearish, monthly is oh, monthly is bullish. So but yeah, this is the thing that I was saying to you, man. just don't like go into this trade very early. You have to wait, man. If you can't wait, then just leave the trading, man. Why you have to do this thing, man? This is hard thing, and you are coming into this hard thing, man. It make no sense. It make no sense. Why you are coming into this like industry where 95% people are losing. 95% of the people are losing. Oh wow. Uh, Let me see the comment section. Comment section. So, Papa Chat. GJ is pushing down. GJ is pushing. So, you have to under. Oh, wow. It is pushing down very aggressively. Very aggressive. Very aggressive push down. So, yeah. Push down aggressive.
Man, from last 4 days I have a heavy stomach issues. I don't know why.
Maybe you are eating something spicy.
Oh, I don't know. I just do belches like, the gas thing. बस डकार बार मार के यार इतना हालत पूरी कर दी है कि
Oh,
पूछो मत।
oh man. अल्लाह ताला यार आपको
हाँ
सेहत दे।
अल्लाह
हाँ अभी तो हमें वीडियो के साथ यूट्यूब पे बैठना है। Yeah, yeah, bro.
let's see
Yeah, some days
how it
before
reacts then.
I add one rule in my life, like I will not take the medicines, these medicines, like what we call this. One is homeopathic and it is what we call this allopathic. I will not take
Oh,
allopathic in my life now until or unless there is a big problem.
the interesting part is I don't even know what allopathic medicine look like. I don't eat
This is
medicine.
like Panadol, Disprin, all these kind of medicines are allopathic.
Oh,
Yeah,
I only take Disprin for my headache. It yours helps me a lot.
yeah,
Saves me a lot.
but I used to take Panadol and sometimes Ponston Fort, man, because I got if I have headache in my head, that will be a extreme headache. Look at this. This is the thing I said. This man, I'm looking for this candle to close bearish on the 15-minute time frame. This is kind of intuition, or this is kind of anticipation, or this is kind of you can say this little experience. That is what I was speaking there. So yeah, this is the thing that is happening there. Like this candle has no bottom wick, so I was looking for this candle to came down, create a bottom wick. If the next candle now can close above the range, when you can see that, like now, then there is only one option to go for like 30 40 people gives us a move, and that will be a London Open, and London Open will give us some move, man. That will be good. Oh, today I'm not ending the stream in like after the London Open, man. I will stick. Like yesterday, I end the stream and I found the setup after the stream. That was not good. I have to take the trades in front of you guys, in front of you. Yeah, that was the beautiful 20 pip trade, but all right. So we have 3 minutes left for this 15-minute candle to close. But what we need is we need this candle to close bearish and the next candle wick down, close above the range. And that will be the 1 hour candle closer above the range. And
Oh, I guess my time has come. I need to go right now.
alright, bro. Alright, so
Yeah, take
yeah,
care, bro.
take
Good luck
care,
with the
bro. Take
trades.
care. Yeah,
I'll be in touch.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah,
So,
last it.
Allah Hafiz, bro. So, which pairs do you trade? I only trade gold, GJ, sometimes US30, but the way US30 is doing the stuff these days, I don't like because it is stopped faked out every day. It gives a fake out every day. Like that was a fake out, and that was an where was the second fake out there? All right, so this candidate close above the range, and this kind of gives us a fake out there. Look at this. This kind of close above the range. This kind of gives us a fake out, and then kind of close above the range gives us a fake out. So I am also looking at this, man, because if you can't see the market every day, this candle, fuck you, big fuck. This candle close. So this candle close above the range, it gives us a fake out. So yeah, when we see like 3-4 days clean moves, then we will jump into the US30. So man, this is a thing that I said, like I want this candle to close bearish. What it did, it closed bearish. Simple is that. So this is the thing that I was saying to you guys. This is kind of an experience. This is kind of like the energy that I am putting every day. So if your mic is stopping again, no, I I stop my mic. Man, there is a big noise. So I'm just avoiding that noise, man. Like, look at this. Tuck, 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 tuck. So that is why I just sometimes I stop my mic, but it is working nice. So look at this, man. Like I was say what I said. You can rewind the stream, and I said when this candle was at this point, I said this. Hey, I want this candle to come down, create a steeper bottom wick, close bearish. What it did, close bearish with a very big weak body. Just for me, not for everyone, just for me. It closed bearish for me because, guys, I said to you, yeah, this candle, I want this candle to close bearish, so it closed bearish for me. So yeah, it closed bearish, so the next candle, I want this candle to close above the range. Then we will go for a trade. We will go for a trade, and yeah, then we will go for a trade. And one thing, if this trade stopped us out, you can't say to me, hey man, you said this before, you know the market, but it stopped you out. It is not like that. The thing, like same thing that I see in the past was this. Like whenever candle close gives us a closure either above the range or either below the range, it always gives us some move in that direction. And plus London volume, it can give us a good move, but if it stopped us out, no problem. Even I have no problem because I know it is working for me. Let me show you this, guys. It is working for me. If I take yesterday I took 3 trades. That was the first breakout on the 30-minute time frame. Look at this. First breakout on the 30-minute time frame, goes in 20 pips in profit. That was the second breakout on the 30-minute time frame. I closed this trade at break even because 15-minute candle closed bullish, this bullish, and then that was the third breakout on the 30-minute time frame. I take 28 pip move there. So I can't blame this breakout structure. I can't blame, man. I can't blame because yeah, one day I make money on that setup. How can I blame on the second day if I didn't make that money? So if you have the mentality like this, hey, if you wanna take the if you wanna take, let's see. All right, so yeah, sound is good. So if you wanna take every trade win, man, just leave the trading. you have to ready for the loss. Oh, yeah. Oh. Wow. So Russian finance minister Swiss October trade. And let me one more thing, guys. Do we have any news? If we have any news, there should be a problem. If we don't have any news, oh, let's see. How it looks like on the 15-minute time frame. Oh wow, no, nothing. If this candle close above the range, now you can see, man, where we are going. Oh no, nope. All right, or 30 minute, 15 minute. All right, so this is good. Just move a little bit. I'm looking for buys there, man. Looking for buys if this kind of can close above the range. Sells are difficult. Alright, so now we touched this support that every time we touch this support, we came up. Touch this support, came up. Touch this support, came up. Now we can came up if we touch this support now. Because now we touch this support. And look at this. We touch this support, came up. Touch this support, came up. Just this is the thing. That is why I move. That is why I put my mic on mute. This is the problem. It's okay. I'm going to work now. We'll talk to you later. Allah Hafiz. Alright, bro. No problem. Be safe, man. Be safe. We have 9 minutes left. Beautiful 9 minutes left for London Open. Let's see if we can get something here, man. I'm very excited. I'm getting excited. Yeah, getting excited for this candle to close above the range. So we can see some volume in the London session to push price up. Push price up. Pushing. Oh, if the 1 hour candle if the 1 hour candle can close above the range, what else I want? I want nothing else. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Fuck, man. Fuck. Man, I just made a mistake there. Alright, this guy has the same plan like me. Alright, so for buy, I look at lawyer impulse entry. I'm looking for a closure, and yeah. Oh, 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 oh! Wow, board for swing, quantum, तुम कौन तुम कौन Wow, what is your target? For me it looks plus 25. Wow. If this gonna close a weak bullish, then we may take a sell there. We may take a sell there if this gonna close weak bearish, but that is very difficult, man. Extremely difficult. कंदील ब्रो, तुम सच्ची थी। तुमने पिंकी और महात्मा का अगली चेहरा दिखाया था। ये कौम लूट थी, मच निकली जिसको सच सुनना पसंद नहीं था। What the hell is this? ये कौम लूट ही मीम चे निकली। मीम चे, ओह मीम चे। वाओ, जिसको सच सुनना पसंद नहीं था। खान साहब दम दरूद करा रहे। वाओ, पिंकी बाजी। वाओ, ओ ओ ऑलराइट। पिंकी की इमरान खान से मुलाकातों पर मैं नाराज था। एक बार इमरान को नौकर के जरिए घर से निकलवा दिया था खावर मानी का। ओ then they got married, man. Then they got married. So yeah, that happened, man. That happened with the Forex family. Oh.
So guys, listen, this is something very important. If you are trying to sign in to the database and it's asking you for a payment, this means you are not using the email which you used to purchase. That's what it means. Like a lot of you guys, if you pay through PayPal.
Oh. Where was that? General chat? No. Alert analysis. Alright, announcement section we have. So guys, GJ looks good. Oh, gold is not looking good, man. Gold is not looking good. That could be the best trade of the day. Yeah, one time it works, one time it not, but it is what it is. Alright, so add channel, trading plan, trading journal, motivation, magic keys, bonus session, motivation. What motivation is? This morning, trade first one caught in a little better than wanted. The plan was to enter. Wow. Oh, good man. Yeah, good. That was the trade that I missed. And hello everyone, I want to share a success story with you all. I have started trading 4 years ago, and as you all experienced, it was all up and down. It is really tough journey. Yeah, man. Forex trading is really tough journey. And 23 pips, 30 pips, 25 pips. Let's see if it closes. If it first came down, then came up, that would be more good. So guy, nothing, man, nothing. Looks like we reject this area one more time. All I want is the next 15-minute candle to close above the range. I know this candle did close. Man, I don't wanna take the trade for you guys. No, because it looks very difficult for me. Very difficult. I think what we can do now. Man. Fuck. Yeah, bro. Yeah. If you can take, if you wanna take the trade on the GJ, you can take the trade if this candle break the high of the previous candle. And yeah, other than that, everything is good. If gold close like there or there, I will not take the trade. If gold close there with a good top wick, then I will consider the trade. Other than that, if it like close away from the range, man, then it is very hard to take the trade. Very hard. If it like close like this, now it is there, and the next candle came down, create a bottom wick first, then break the high. Man, that will be the good trade. That will be the good trade. This is kind of a trade that I am looking for. But for now, I don't think so. We have any trade. Like, look at this candle, how this candle close. Nothing. Nothing. GJ may go up. GJ may go up. That should be your BE point or partial TP. That should be your final TP. Yeah. Look at this. US30 is bullshit. Doing nothing, man. And just gold push down, not go up. Don't. Oh, gold, don't do this, man. Don't do that. Gold, don't do that. Yeah, don't do that, bro. Please, please don't do that. Yeah, I only need. Yeah, do this. Like, once I got into this trade, then just go for like. Just go to this level. But don't do this, man, without getting me in. Yeah, come down, come down. Come down, gold. Gold, come down, man. Don't do this. Don't do this, bro. Don't do this. Yeah, come down. No. No. It don't wanna come down. No. Don't wanna come down. Don't wanna come up. Without getting me in. Yeah, if it came down and then came up, close there without breaking its high one more time, that will be good. That will be the thing that I'm looking for. GJ looks like no volume. Volume is dying on GJ, but gold is moving, man, with the London volume. London volume is pushing gold up. London volume is pushing gold up. London volume. So let's see if we can get the closure above. Wow. I don't want to take the impulse entry there. No impulse entry. No impulse entry like this candle break the high. All of these wicks. But the thing is, this is the difference that I see in myself. Like, if I see at myself 2 years before or 1.5 years before, I definitely go into this trade, keep my stop loss like 10 pips, got stopped out in 2 minutes, and just call it a day. Yeah, this is the difference that I see in myself, man. Oh, oh shit. So GJ, yeah, if GJ can break the high, it can go up. But for now, it looks like it don't wanna break the high. Yeah, gold is coming down, man. All we need is candle to close above the range. Other than that, there is nothing for me. If something is, if there is something for you, go for it, man. But nothing for me. Man, there is nothing for me. Why I have to behave like this? Hey, man, there is something for me. Alright, so look like, man, we didn't into this trade. Oh, oh man, look at this. Candle is coming down on gold, man. Big wick rejection. Candle is coming down with big wick rejection. And GJ is pushing up with no big rejection. Yeah, GJ is pushing up with a rejection from the downside. So gold is pushing down to create a steeper bottom wick. What the hell, man? Guys, I really want to give you a trade today, but looks like, yeah, I said to you, hey, take this trade if you want to take the trade on GJ. That was the GJ trade that I tell you, man. That was the trade. That was the trade I tell you guys. Yeah. This is the trade that I was telling you guys. But this is a little risky trade. This is a little risky trade. I'm just anticipating this trade with my half risk. So yeah, I said to you guys, hey, just like I'm looking for this, I'm looking for this, I'm looking for this. Stop loss is my 20 pips. I'm at least looking for 30 pips there. If I can get 30 pips, that would be good. If I stopped out at this trade, that would be also good, because I have no problem to, yeah, like stopped out on this trade. I have no problem to. Alright, so GJ is pushing up. Every time it go into this area, it just came up. Every time. Gold, one more time, try to close below the range. One more time, gold is trying to close below the range one more time. Yeah. No, nothing. So if we can get the trade, oh, looks like candle close with no wick at the top. Very small, very small. So alright, so 10 pips, 10 pips there. This is the thing that I was saying to you guys. Take this trade, you can take this trade, 10 pip trade there, because yeah, candle close with no wick. Let me see how much was the wick there. Less than a pip, because I don't want to move my stop loss to break even, because I know I got stopped out at break even if I take the trade. Yeah, like this. Alright, so if I move my stop loss to break even, I would stop out at break even. Low of this candle is 825. My entry was 823. Oh, I would have survived this trade. I would have survived this trade, but uh, I would have survived this trade for now. But if this candle breaks the low one more time, stopped out. What the hell is this? Yeah, that was the only setup. 10 pip, the only 10 pip setup was there. Other than that, if this candle can close above the range, that would be good. If this 15 minute candle did not close above the range, I will call it a day. I will call it a day. Alright guys, so yeah, that was the only win that I was anticipating. Other than that, we have nothing for now. If this candle can close above the range, I will definitely go for the trade. We have 11 minutes left. If this candle did not close above the range, I will call it a day, man. Now, like, yeah, it is what it is, man. How much we can more wait? For me, my waiting game is over now. This is the thing that I was telling you guys. Close the trade. Don't want to move my stop loss to break even, because whenever we move our stop loss to break even, it just stopped us out. It just stopped us out. Yeah. Whenever we move our stop loss to break even, it just stopped us out. So nothing is going on, I think. Nothing. But I will still wait for this 30-minute candle to close. If this 30-minute candle close above the range, I will go for a buy. If this 30-minute candle close below the range, I'll go for a sell. If this 30-minute close in this range, I will call it a day. Because we have nothing to do, and that was the only setup that we missed. And the one thing that I learned from this thing, alright, so pop out chat. So one thing that I learned today is if the 15-minute candle close with no wick at the bottom and the 30-minute candle is closed strong good bearish candle, then we can go for a sell. We can go for a sell. Other than that, nothing. Nothing. If the 30-minute candle close with no wick at the bottom, boom, done, man. You are done. So yeah, that was a quick scalp there. Quick scalp, quick. I always do the quick scalps. Quick scalps. Yeah, yesterday was amazing. Take one trade and got 28 pips in 1 minute. Man, can you imagine? In 1 minute, 28 pips. No news. Yeah, no news and so Willy Gold killer. Fuck you. I am a GJ killer. I am a gold killer. Yeah, I am a killer. What you are talking about? Like Habib. Hey, what are you talking about? Hey, sunglasses. American never fight in the street. They don't fight in the street. You don't know how to fight in the street. I am from the mountain. That stuff was good, man. That stuff is good. Yeah, that stuff is good. I think nothing. Yeah, Al Fahad Ayub, bro, you understand because 15 minute is weak confirmation. So let me give you one more thing. Why 15 minute is weak confirmation? Yesterday, I took the trade there on this breakout. So this candle break the low came for like 8-9 pips. I don't care about 8-9 pips. I just hold this trade and I wanna hold this trade till this level, at least till this level. And what happened? This candle closed bullish on the 15-minute time frame. I only see the 15-minute time frame. I didn't see the 30-minute time frame. And on the 15-minute time frame, I closed this trade on the break even. But what happened after that? After that, it came down. Why? Because 15 minute is so weak confirmation. That is the thing. So I think gold don't wanna close above the range. But we still have 6 minutes left. If the momentum come in the market, if the momentum close gold above the range, and if the next candle came down for a steeper bottom wick, I will enter the gold on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, I will enter based on the 15-minute time frame. Yeah, let's see what happened in the I am here for another 5 minutes. If this candle don't close above the range, I'm done. because that was the first trade that we missed. That was the second trade, a quick little scalp. Other than that, nothing. Nothing. So, I don't want to force anything, man. I don't want to force anything. If we can get the closure above, I'll go for a trade. If we didn't, then if we don't, I'll just end the stream. We have 4 minutes left. Oh, let me see one thing. Do we have any? Oh, we don't have any. Let's see. Oh, no. Do we have any? No, we don't have any key level. We have a key level at 1997. Yeah, that's good. That's good because on 1997, oh, we can get some money, bro. Yeah, 1997 will be my full TP there. So for now, gold is just ranging, man. Gold is just ranging. Ooh. Yeah. Now you can see why I closed my trade. Now you can understand. So today was not the very good day because took one little scalp and missed this whole thing. Missed. So yeah, man. Yeah. Oh man. Fuck. So looks like how many minutes? We have 1 minute left. 1 minute left. Let's see if we can get the top wick plus closure above. Yeah, let's see. Because we need both things. We need top wick, uh we need top wick, we need candle closure above. Looks like we will got nothing. Yeah, nothing. We will got nothing, man. No top wick, no candle closure above. Let's see if GJ is close below the range. GJ did close with no wick at the bottom. It also didn't close below the range. So yeah, man, that's it. That was the day. Took a little small, what we can say, small scalp there. Very little small scalp there. Nothing. That was the day, man. That was the day. Like when this kind of close with no wick at the top, close everything, and yeah, that's it. That was the day. Yeah, take care, guys. We'll back tomorrow with another beautiful stream, another beautiful day. So yeah, that's it. That was the day.
say it's holy. Can't get this off my lips. You love me with devotion. You don't kick me when I trip. Yeah, I need a sip from the river. Just wanna get what you giving. Give me unlimited vision and see through the counterfeit. I want the realest. Where he come from, you can't get that with a PJ. It's so full inside this house, I feel like DJ. I can't fight it, let your light come shine on me. Yeah, ain't no hiding, I'm confiding in your peace. Yeah. Hey, carrying buckets of shame. Father, I'm saying your name, but so far from it. Come see the blood in my veins. For me, he bleeding the same. Take this covenant, this is the greatest exchange. At his altar, there's a flame that burns your rubbish. Gave me a cup full of rain. He poured it over every stain until he coming. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Yeah, I just turned a milli down to be home with my son. Y'all don't get it. I can't gain a thing if I've already won. Still don't get it. I was full back when my bank account was none. Cause my God the type to leave the 99 to get the one. This is life or death. I ain't making music just for fun. Glory to your name, Father. I pray that your kingdom come. And when Satan's on my heels, I pray it's Nike with the run. Make my heart beat more like Hezekiah. Say it and it's done. Breakthrough. Lord Jesus, I need breakthrough. I've been doing things that made the Father have to break you. Living in my shame like the potter didn't shape you. But I know even in the storm, the water didn't wake you. The water didn't wake you. And that cross couldn't break you. Yeah, the darkness couldn't take you. Oh, yeah. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame. Glory to the Father. You deserve the praise. Lead me to your altar. Wash away my shame.
Young gun don't want that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley Smurf fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge. Young gun don't want that, they working my nerves. I'm about to pull some serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in this beat with P. Liddy. QP ski. All of my bitches is pretty, they showing their titties is up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy wanna fulfillin'. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trappin', I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see them hold precision. Giver's my only decision. Young gun don't want that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Bentley Smurf fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crank up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick if they purge.
That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya. Let's get lost tonight. You could be my black Kate Moss tonight. Play secretary, I'm the boss tonight. And you don't give a what they all say, right? Awesome, the Christian and Christian Dior. Damn, they don't make them like this anymore. I ask, cause I'm not sure. Do anybody make real anymore? Bow in the presence of greatness, cause right now that has forsaken us. You should be honored by my lateness, that I would even show up to this place. So go ahead, go nuts, go ape. Especially in my pastel on my page. Act like you can't tell who made this new gospel, homie. Take 6 and take this, haters. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya. Me like right now. I don't know if you got a man or not, if you made plans or not, if God put me in your plans or not. I'm tripping, this drink got me saying a lot, but I know that God put you in front of me. So how the hell could you front on me? It's 1,000 yous, it's only one of me. I'm tripping, I'm caught up in the moment, right? Cause it's Louis Vuitton dine night, so we gon' do everything the kind like. Heard they do anything for a Klondike, well I'll do anything for a blonde. And she'll do anything for the limelight, and we'll do anything when the time's right. Baby, you're making it faster, stronger. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya. I need you right now. I need you right now. You know how long I've been on ya, since Prince was on Apollonia, since OJ had isotoners. Don't act like I never told ya. Don't act like I 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 told ya. Baby, you're making it better, faster, stronger. That don't kill me, can only make me stronger. I need you to hurry up now, cause I can't wait much longer. I know I got to be right now, cause I can't get much stronger. Man, I've been waiting all night now, that's how long I've been on ya. I need you right now. You know how long I've been on ya, since Prince was on Apollonia, since OJ had isotoners. Don't act like I never told ya. You know how long I've been on ya, since Prince was on Apollonia, since OJ had isotoners. Don't act like I never told ya. Never told ya. Never told ya. Never told ya. Never told ya.